Hello guys, good morning. I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see these 4 points. And what these 4 points? First point is how to list all scoop jobs. Second point is how to run a scoop job. And third point, how to show details of a scoop job. And fourth point is how to delete a scoop job. So we will see these 4 topics one by one. So let's see these topics and welcome to my channel. So before going to see those 4 things, first we need to create a job. As we have seen these things in my previous session, that how to create a scoop job. But we are going to see these things again here. And question is how to create scoop job. So answer is by using double hyphen create keyword. By using double hyphen create keyword we can create a scoop job. So this is the syntax. By using this syntax we can create a job. So syntax is scoop space job space double hyphen create. These things is always fixed. You do not need to change these things which I mention in a different color. So after writing scoop space job space double hyphen create space, these things you need to change. These things you need to mention your job name and your scoop statement. So this is the syntax, and now we are going to see the example. In this example we are saying that we are going to list all table by using scoop job. So now we are going to create a scoop job and job name is list table. We need to write this statement scoop space job space double hyphen create space list table space double hyphen list hyphen tables space double hyphen connect space jdbc colon mysql colon double forward slash localhost slash movies space double hyphen username space root space double hyphen password space scoop password. As we write for listing all tables of a database, as we have write this syntax in scoop, the same syntax we need to write here for creating a scoop job. Only we need to put here double hyphen before list hyphen tables keyword. So when scoop execute this statement, then it will create one job name as list tables, which can list all the tables of movie database to HDFS. So now let's see the next thing, that how we can list all job in scoop. So here again question is how to list scoop job. So answer is by using double hyphen list keyword. By using double hyphen list keyword we can list all scoop job. So this command is used to display all the saved scoop job, and this is the example and syntax, both things are same because we do not need to add anything from our side. This is the fix we do not need to change anything in this syntax. This is the scoop keywords. So we should write scoop space job space double hyphen list, and when we press enter then it will display all the scoop job which we created. So as we have seen earlier that I created only one scoop job and this job name is list table. So when we list the scoop job then I am getting the list table. If you will create more than one job, then when you execute this statement then you will get those jobs here. So like this way, by using double hyphen list keyword we can list all the scoop job. Now let's see the next things. How can we run a scoop job? Double hyphen exec keyword. By using double hyphen exec keyword we can run a scoop job. So this is the syntax. Syntax is scoop space job space double hyphen exec execute space job name which we want to run. So this is the example. In this example, we are seeing that we are going to run this job. So we need to write scoop space job space double hyphen exec space the name of job, and I put here list table. So when we execute this statement, then it will list all the table. So it means, as we are saying that we are going to list all the tables. So when we run this statement, then it will list all the table of that selected database. So like this way, we do not need to write the whole scoop statement here. We only need to write the name of that scoop job. So by this way, we do not need to write the whole statement. One time we need to create a job, and whenever that scoop statement need to execute, we can execute by this way. Like this way, you can run or you can execute any scoop job. So let's see the next things. The next things is how to show details of a scoop job. So if we want to show details of a scoop job, then we can use double hyphen show keyword. Double hyphen show keyword is used to display the particular job with their details. This is the syntax: scoop space job space double hyphen show space the job name. And this is the example: scoop space job space double hyphen show space list table. When we press enter, then this will display all the details about list table. So it will display all the detail about this list table job. So now let's see the next things, that how we can delete a job. So question is, can we edit or modify any existing scoop job? So answer is, you have to first delete the existing job and then create a new job. But I saw somewhere then in scoop 2 we can edit the scoop job, but I do not use those things yet. That's why I am not authenticate those points that is that things possible or not. But these things is authenticated that you can first delete and you can create a new job. So whenever anyone asks that can you edit or modify an existing scoop job, then this answer is 100% true, that you can first delete and you can create your new job again in scoop 1. And this is the syntax: scoop space job space double hyphen delete space job name. And this is the example: when we write scoop space job space double hyphen delete space job name, it means list table, and when we press enter, then it will delete the list table job. By this way, we can delete any job by using double hyphen delete keyword in scoop. So today we have seen that how we can create a scoop job. Second, how we can list a scoop job, how we can execute a scoop job, and how we can show details of a scoop job, and how we can delete a scoop job. This is very simple things, and you do not need to do much more because there is a fixed keyword. You need to only use those fixed keyword and these things will be done very easy way. So this is all about. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.